Hi Stampers, it's Stampin' with Lisa Marie, and I want to show you this really cute card with Message in the Bottle. Message in the Bottle is in the annual catalog, so the big catalog that we get every year that lasts all year long. It's been sitting on my shelf very lonely, and I saw another demonstrator actually use it recently, and I was like, oh, that's really cute, so I kind of ran with her idea. Anyway, so super cute. I love You Float My Boat to go with the ship, and you've got Whale Hello there. Super cute. Anyway, and You Occupy My Thoughts. That's another really good one. There's that one. You got the little octopus in there. And you've got If I Told You Once, I've Told You 1,000 Times. And then when you open it up, you can put I Love You. Really cute. I like that. So we'll get started. I've already got the paper already cut. Let me see what I've got. I've got some Night of Navy that I actually ran through the Seaside embossing folder. And I ran that through earlier so that you know, I didn't have to bring the big shot in here. So that is already cut. We're going to set that guy aside, and then I'm going to grab some Whisper White. And my Whisper White, I'm going to stamp my bottle. And I have pulled out my piercing mat because when you use these photopolymer stamps, you don't have that foam cushion like you do with red rubber. With red rubber, it has the foam, and so it has a nice cushion to help that ink disperse. Well, so that we can see through the stamps and do things like this where we're lining things up and we need to be able to see through it, they take away that foam and you replace it by putting some underneath of you. So we're going to go ahead and ink this guy up really good and stamp. There's our little jar. Let me get that guy out of the way. And then this is a whimsical card. We did this in class this month, but the water's not pink, Lisa Marie. I know water's not pink, but it's just supposed to be fun. So we're going to go ahead and grab, I think this is powder, yep, powder pink. We're going to ink up, this is the little piece that's water, and it sits right down in here perfectly. Love that. And then we're going to grab our whale and some Melon Mambo. One of my favorites in the Brights collection. I like that one. So we're going to grab our whale, and oops, he fell right off the block. Let me fix him. Stick him back on. As I get my fingers all inky doing it. Let's see. I need a piece of scrap paper. Hang on. Stick that back on there. Get that out of the way. So we'll do that again. I must have just set him on there and forgot to stick him on. So we're going to stick him right here so he's in the water a little bit. And press and hold. You know, those photopolymers need a second, you know, to kind of let that ink disperse. And then what's really cute, I think it's easier to see on here, you have a little spout for the whale even, so it'll go right on top. And we're going to ink that up. And I even think, let's practice over here, I think it's going to look cute lighter. So I'm going to ink it up, stamp it on some scrap paper, and then come and put it right. I hope I'm not sticking my head in the way, but I was trying to see right over the top of that. Really cute. And then for the cork, I'm going to use the little heart. Let's ink that up a little more and stick it down in the bottle. Look at how cute that is. Love it. All right, so let me close this up and get some of this stuff out of your way. And then we're going to, let's stamp some words on there first. So we have the whale hello there, which I love that little sentiment. And then he's going to go like probably right there. I'm going to get this on the block. And we're going to ink it up with black. I like that nice crisp look of the black. And then, boop. Really cute. I like that. Through my lid at you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add that just with some snail. Stick this on here and then set that aside for just a second. Let me grab, here he is. I have a white piece to go on the inside because you know this Night of Navy is so dark. So we're going to go ahead and I want to stamp an extra little whale on the inside down in the corner just because I think it'll be cute. Let's go on a little angle and we'll even give him a little spout right above his little back there. Cute. You could stamp the I love you in there or make a splash, whatever you want. So we're going to go ahead and let's get that glued inside. And some snail. Oops, I just ran out. I think I have a refill over here somewhere. Let's see. Line this up in here. Fold that down. And we need, this is a piece of scrap from, oh goodness gracious, I forgot the name of it again. It's the new Designer Series paper, Painted with Love specialty paper, and it's a little scrap piece. Let me refill my snail. So those of you that maybe have never done that, so you're just going to pop open the box and set that down. And I'm going to take out the piece of cardboard and throw it away. And I'm going to open up my snail. This piece is garbage. The colored piece, the black, mine has stickers and things, rhinestones stuck to it so that I know it's mine in class. So I'm going to throw this part away. We don't need that anymore. He's empty. And then it just snaps right back on, just like that. So we've got that. Now I'm going to grab my triple banner punch. I'm going to slide this right in here. It's about 1 inch. And I'm going to go ahead and do both because I'm going to stick this in my package so that I can make another one later. And I can just snip it in half so then there's enough for 2 people. Get rid of that. And these were, I did a cute little treat holder and I had extra paper. So I was like, oh, this matches really cute with this. So let's just stick a little flag on here. Just like that. I'm going to flip that guy over and we're going to stick some dimensionals on here. Whenever I'm attaching something to an embossing folder image, I like to use dimensionals because it holds really nice. I did that because I just want to make sure that my little flag gets held on too. Pull these off. This is a really quick, easy card. I will post the dimensions probably underneath the video a little bit later, or for sure on my Facebook page or Facebook group. So if you don't have a demonstrator, be sure to let me know. But even if you do, you can still join my group. You can come hang out with us. We just talk about different ideas and share things, and it's a lot of fun. I post the specials and things like that on there. But there you go. You have Whale Hello there coming from Message in a Bottle. Both really cute. This whole set, it has the little pieces of paper. So you would have a jar full of tags that say I love you is what it'll look like. It's really cute. I don't think, oh, I do have one. There he is. So there's that one too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that and I will be back again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.